Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello, dear students. This is lecture number 2. So, gaseous exchange in plants. So, in today's lecture, we will discuss how gaseous exchange take place in plants. So, in this lecture, the keywords are introduction, gaseous exchange in land and aquatic plants, mechanism of gaseous exchange. So, in this lecture, we will discuss or we will focus on these three terms. First, introduction, definition of gaseous exchange. The exchange of respiratory gases, for example, carbon dioxide and oxygen, between the internal organ and the external environment. So, the exchange of gases is simply between the internal organ of plant and external environment. This is called gaseous exchange. Now, plant, unlike, do not possess specialized organ for gaseous exchange. Specialized means that the animal possess lungs. Lungs are the respiratory organs. So, lungs are special organs for the gaseous exchange in animals. But in plant, there is no specialized organ for gaseous exchange, but the organs responsible for gaseous exchange in plants are leaf and stem and root. So, the plants have large surface area and the gaseous exchange occur in them by diffusion of gases. So, what is the diffusion of gases? Diffusion of gases is simply the passive transport that the materials flow from their higher concentration to lower concentration. So this is simply the mechanism of gaseous exchange take place in plants by gaseous exchange through diffusion. Now, mechanism. Mechanism means the procedure or process through which the gaseous exchange take place in plants. So the first point, mechanism of gaseous exchange of carbon dioxide and water, oxygen in plants. So now, the land plant get oxygen from the surrounding air through stomata. The aquatic plant obtain the dissolved oxygen from the water by diffusion. So oxygen present in water, it is in the dissolved form. So the oxygen enter in the aquatic plants to the root by diffusion, and similarly, in land plant, the oxygen enter from the environment, external environment through stomata into the leaf. Stomata are present in leaves and young stem. Stomata are present in leaves and young stem. Young stem means the green stem. Stomata are absent in the trees, the woody plants. In woody plants, shrubs and trees, the stem consists of thick bark or wood. So it lack stomata. So stomata only present in grasses. So the young stem means green plants or herbs. Fourth point, there are many air spaces present among the mesophyll cell of the leaf. So mesophyll cells are present in the leaf. What are the mesophyll cell? Mesophyll cell are basically photosynthetic cells. So between the mesophyll cell, air spaces are present, and these air spaces accommodate oxygen. Point number 5. They make up about 40% of volume of leaf. So the leaf, the mesophyll cell cover total 40% of volume of the leaf. Now, stomata leads to intercellular spaces of the leaf. This title means that what is the role of stomata in the diffusion of gases into the leaf tissue. So point number 6, exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide between the leaves and atmosphere in the land plants occur through stomata. So stomata is the main organ responsible for the flow of oxygen into the leaf tissue or the exchange of oxygen between the leaf tissue and atmosphere. Point number 7. Root of the land plant exchange these gases with the spaces present between the soil particles. So now gases exchange, how the gases exchange take place between the root and soil particle. So the space present between the soil particle and root, so this space accommodate the gas and the exchange of oxygen take place between the root and the soil particle. Last point, some of oxygen produced during photosynthesis is used up in respiration and the rest of diffuses out through stomata. The last point will show the use of oxygen during the photosynthesis. You know that photosynthesis required carbon dioxide while respiration required oxygen. So oxygen is a byproduct during the process of photosynthesis, while in respiration it is a reactant. So when during the daytime, the oxygen produced during photosynthesis, so some of the remaining amount will use in respiration and the extra quantity of oxygen will be released through stomata. When the oxygen is released, stomata opens, so oxygen released into the atmosphere and oxygen and stomata diffuse into the leaf tissue. So this is all about the importance of 3 points.